These are our original universal brackets. When using the supplied hooks, you can easily install a 160 or a 72 volt in the Club Car Precedent in minutes, saving you a lot of time and money. There is still some cutting required, but it's a lot easier than drilling holes.
Boat Energy USA.
Here. Get the support plate and the hook. Get your second support plate. Snug up the plate. All right. Now you got to measure 21¼ from hole to hole. Leaving the plates loose, you can still move them. You do have to notch out the center section and back here so the harness does drop in place. Once your measurements are done, you tighten it down. When installing the 160, your brackets have to be 23 inches on center. And you're all set.